It's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it totally for free.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the game PokeMMO for iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys, if you like PokeMMO. So I can't show the gameplay because then the video will get taken down, but I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's free and it's fun. PokeMMO is an online game, so it's like the old Pokemon games, but it's online. So go to tweakmod.com, type in Poke, and you'll see the game, and then go ahead and press install. Now, before it downloads, there's one more step. It's the verification. So this is the last step to get PokeMMO, guys. We got to download 2 apps from the App Store. They're all free, and then PokeMMO will be for us. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. So yeah, you can see right there the little Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both, which is awesome. But I think it's a little harder to get on an iPhone, which is why I made this video. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second to load. So yeah, just give it a second. So anyway, guys, now we just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got like Shop Kick, Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. True Finance, Wiser Than Me. This is a podcast. I gotta subscribe to it or something, but I wouldn't pay any money, guys. Most of these are completely free to do, and then PokeMMO will be on your phone, so be sure to try us out, guys. It's super cool. I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, I don't really do videos anymore, but a lot of people are asking me how to get PokeMMO on iOS, so I said I will make a tutorial. So this is super cool, guys, but that's how to get PokeMMO for your phone. So if you're poor and you can't afford PC, because that's where most people play PokeMMO, then try this out, because it's super awesome and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. This is awesome, and you don't have to do anything gay like jailbreak, so it's pretty win-win. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out, my crew.